Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am Shwani Mahesh and I am here to present my business plan, which is converting IBA's traditional canteen to e-canteen. So first thing first, business description. I chose this plan because IBA's canteen is very much congested and there is only one canteen and students are way more than the space of only one canteen. And there is so much crowd during the break and mistakes happen from staffs while taking order because of the haphazards. So I thought of an idea, why not making it convenient by ordering online and paying through e-cards in e-payments, because everything is at our fingertips today. So the solution would be that there will be a less crowd because of consumers would order before the break and get their orders ready during break. And there will be no errors in taking orders because machines don't do errors. Service will be provided through an app where all the dishes for ordering would be available and account details as well. Second, the revenue model will be used, called as revenue model, which means that they will be earning only through a direct sales. Why not other models? Because we do not want to serve out of the IBA, so there is no need to invest in that. Now, supply chain. Supply chain will be pull based because it saves the wastage plus resources, and we will be delivering only what customers need. Like if they demand burgers more than patties, so we will be making burgers as to meet their demands, and would be saving patties resources by not making them. Last but not the least, marketing plans. So telling you that we would not be advertising our canteen for that matter, because we do not need any customer outside the university. Plus we do not have any competitor in university, so that money would also be saved. But we will use a theme called conversational marketing themes to make the interactions with customers easier, so that they can feel convenient talking to us by telling us our errors or making their orders customized. With that, there will be a chat option developed in the app to chat with us. The resources that will be needed are two PCs, and our ICT team will develop the app for discounted price. So that's all, guys. Thanks for your precious time. Stay home, stay safe. This too shall pass soon.